Hi, welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on changing your surname. Whether you are getting married, divorced, or simply want a fresh start, we have got you covered. So let us dive right now. You can watch my videos in Hindi and Telugu also. The links are provided in the description. I am Srinivas Sharma, name change service expert. I have 15 years of experience. I have provided my services to more than 10,000 clients all over India. They have changed their names and surnames happily by getting my professional service at doorsteps. It is possible to adopt, remove, or change a surname at any time in India. For example, a married woman can adopt her husband's surname and a divorced woman can adopt her parental surname again. A male or unmarried woman who does not have a surname can adopt one, but only if the surname is already used by their father or mother. Otherwise, an affidavit must be signed by an SDM or MRO, that is Sub-District Magistrate or Mandal Revenue Officer, in order to adopt a new surname. If you have a surname with present name and want to remove, you can do that. Now, the step number 1, prepare an affidavit. The first step is to prepare an affidavit. This is a legal document that states your old name, new name, address, and signature. You can either prepare the affidavit yourself or get it prepared by a lawyer. The affidavit must be notarized on a non-judicial stamp paper of value rupees 10 or more. Step 2. Publish a newspaper advertisement in a national newspaper. Next, you need to publish a newspaper advertisement notifying the public of your surname change. The advertisement must include your old name, old surname, new surname, and your present address. You can publish the advertisement in any national newspaper. The text of the advertisement must be in English. National newspaper means newspapers published in either English or Hindi and have more than one edition. Now the third steps, pay Gazette fees. You will then need to pay the Gazette fees online. You can do this by visiting the website of the department, that is bharatkosh.nic.in, link provided in the description. The fee structure may vary, so it is important to check the latest fees before paying your application fees. Now the fourth step, publish a notification in the Government of India Gazette. The final step is to publish a notification in the Government Gazette. This is an official government publication that lists all the name, gender, surname changes and corrections. You can publish a notification in the Government Gazette by applying to the Controller of Publication, Government of India. Now, what all documents are required? See, for the change name process, in case it is a minor, then the applicant will be his parent or his or her mother only. So now the documents required are the affidavit on a stamp paper, original newspaper with advertisement in the prescribed pro forma in printed format, and then application forms, and then signatures of 2 witnesses on the application form, 2 passport size color photographs. Those photographs should be cross-signed, and then valid ID proof and address proof. For example, PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID, or passport. Apart from this, CD also you have to give, in which the advertisement soft copy will be there. Apart from this, you have to give a declaration also. The declaration is about the CD that all the contents are correct. It has a standard format of declaration. You have to give it. And the total time taken for this process is around 2 to 4 weeks by the government. Generally, it is printed in 3 to 4 weeks only, but in case the number of applications are more, then maybe 1 or 2 weeks it is delayed. Now our services, we can help you with every step of the surname change process. We offer customized affidavit drafting for you, complete application form preparations, preparation of compact disc to submit it to the department, then advertisement releasing of advertisement in a newspaper on your behalf in your local area, and then paying the government fees online and sharing with the receipt. Apart from this, we'll be sharing with you our customized videos in Hindi, English and Telugu to understand the process at every step. So we will be guiding you until your Gazette is published. In a simple way, then we will help you with everything you need to change your surname legally in India, from drafting the affidavit to publishing the notification in the government Gazette. We will be there to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching this video on how to change your surname on any documents. So once your Gazette is published, you can use that and you can share with the concerned department to change your name. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.